Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of my certified pre-owned vehicle pick of the week, the 2019 Chevy Equinox LT. This all-wheel drive vehicle only has 16,185 miles on it and has never been reported in any accidents. It comes with a 1.5 liter 4-cylinder engine, your back tinted windows, and 17-inch aluminum wheels. Now, when we get inside the vehicle, you can see that we do have our cloth seating with a tan lining throughout the entire car. When it comes to the front, we have our brand new Chevy MyLink radio, push to talk, and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.